Hey guys, Scott Berry with Berry Law Offices, and I want to take this opportunity to discuss with you the 12 best interest factors that judges and courts, as well as attorneys, look at to determine how child custody as well as parenting time should be established. And this video is just going to be a cursory review of those 12 best interest factors, and in future videos I plan to dive down and really explore how to prove those best interest factors and a little bit more substance or detail with each one of those factors. So let's get started here with the first factor. The first factor that the courts consider is, what are your children's physical, emotional, cultural, and spiritual and other needs? And then how does that proposed arrangement, or any proposed, whether it's a parenting time or custody arrangement, affect your children's needs and development? The second factor is, does your child have any special medical, mental health, or educational needs that require special parenting time arrangements? The third factor is, depending upon your child's age, what's their preference? Next is, has there been any abuse in the relationship or any abuse towards your children, and how has this abuse affected your children as it relates to their safety and well-being? And then, do you or your other child's parent or children's parent have any physical, mental, or chemical health issues that may affect your child's safety or development? And then you got to describe how your children's other parent or yourself has provided care to your child. And then what is the willingness and ability, as well as your other child's parents' willingness and ability, to provide for the ongoing needs of your child, and as this relates to their ongoing development, their emotional and spiritual needs, and their cultural needs, and whether or not either one of you or both of you are able to maintain consistency throughout the parenting time. Factor number 8 is, what is the effect of your child's well-being and development, or if there are any changes to their home, school, and community? And inevitably there's going to be some kind of changes, but it's something that the courts look at. Number 9 is, what is the effect of the proposed parenting time plan or custody arrangement on your children's ongoing relationship with you, as well as the other parent, and more specifically their siblings and other significant others in your children's life? And then number 10 is, what is the benefit to your children in maximizing parenting time with both parents, as well as what is at a detriment to limiting the amount of parenting time with either parent? Number 11 is, will you or your child's other parent support your children's relationship with both parents and encourage and permit frequent contact and continuing contact between your children and each parent? And finally, what is the willingness and the ability of both you and your child's other parent to cooperate in the rearing of your child, as well as maximizing the sharing of information and minimizing the exposure of your child to parental conflict? Now, these are the best interest factors, and again, my intent is to dive in to each one of these factors later. I hope this information is helpful. If you have any questions on any of this information, feel free to reach out to me via telephone or email.